had these thoughts up in my head. These thoughts is when I'm low. Two pass right in my face. I don't know which way to go. Should I head out to the club or should I hit the studio? It only makes sense to pick whichever one.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smoove, and you already know what's happening. The best in front of the bank. And she about to title us another lit video. And what we got today is a lot review. So look, I ain't did one of these videos in a minute. If y'all been rocking with me for a minute and been on my channel, y'all know that I've been doing a dreadlock journey. Or I can't call them dreadlocks no more. I don't think we're supposed to call them dreadlocks. I think it's just called locks. I ain't did no lock review video in a minute. So this video, I'm gonna call it basically like my 1 year or like a year, and it's been a year and a couple months, but I'm just saying a year journey, bro. I'm gonna show y'all, talk to y'all about the products I've been using, the things I've been going through throughout my journey, you know what I'm saying, some tips if y'all on y'all dread journey, you know what I'm saying. So that's what this video finna be about, man. So before we jump into this, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, scroll down, hit that like button for your boy, you know what I'm saying. It's always helpful, free, easy to do, helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Give me a 10K subscribers. Comment anything you want to see next, anything, questions you got, anything, let me know in the comment section. But you know what, enough talking, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so first thing first, man, here go my dreads, bro. I feel like this is the first thing I should do to show y'all where I'm at right now. Obviously, I got them in 2-string twists. If y'all don't know what it is, it's basically like each one of my dreads, they're single. Like a dread is a single hair, you know what I'm saying? It's a dread. 2 strands is 2 of them strand together, you feel me? Just 2 of them strand together. So that's what the hairstyle I got right now. You know what I'm saying? My jaw really kind of long, bro. You feel me? It is in 2 strands. Cause when she retwisted, I'm gonna throw pictures on the screen. When she like first, cause before she did a 2-strand, she retwisted my hair and she had it retwisted. And I was looking at it, I said, bro, my shit long, my shit hanging, bro. You feel me? Yeah. So I don't know what it like from the back. Hopefully it's giving y'all a good view. I can't really see. Hopefully it's giving y'all a good view though of the back and shit. But yeah though, so that's where we at right now, man, with the dreads, you feel me? Let me rate my dreads in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know where y'all at. Now if y'all been rocking me from the beginning, y'all know a nigga start off with just doodle balls, so we don't came a long way, you feel me? But yeah though, so let me know. And then I got the little jerry, the little accessory motherfucker on there. Got 2 of them, got another one right there hiding in the back, you feel me? So yeah though, so that's how we rocking, man. I feel like, man, I'm so happy with my dread journey because y'all don't understand, bro. Y'all understand how close I was to cutting these hoes. I was so close. But then I was just like, you know what? Let me just see where they going. You know what I'm saying? Let me just hold it out. Let me wait. Let me be patient. Let me just grind it out. You feel me? Thug it out. Thug it out. And now I feel like these hoes smooth. And now I can do them in like different hairstyles and shit. Rocking with them. But yeah, though. So that's that, man. So now let me show y'all some of the products I've been using. Now, I don't know if y'all ever heard of this. It's called Do-Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. Now let me know if any hairstylists or anybody got dreads, let me know if y'all try this product or what y'all think about this product. But this is what I've been using on my scalp. So usually, so how I do this is every 2 nights. I don't do it every night. Every like other night I put this on my scalp before I go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Just like this. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. See what I'm saying? I just put it all throughout my scalp, bro. And then I also put the Jamaican castor oil on there. And I got some spray. Let me grab the spray real quick. No kidding. I'll put my cat in right here. Alright. So here go the spray. So actually I would spray this on my hair first. I spray this on there. It's like a conditioner, leave-in conditioner spray. Spray it over my hair first. And then after that, I put my oil on after that. Make sure you always put your oil on last after you spray your hair, because what oil do is especially seal in the moisture. And I just know that from beard growth and all hair basically the same. So I always put the oil on last, just remember that. So I'm using this oil, and sometimes I switch it up with a Jamaican black castor oil. Now let me know, to be real though, just because I know so much about oil and products and hair growth products, I know that I can make my own oil and my own hair growth oil and probably be way better than these. So I might end up doing that before it's over with. So stay tuned to the channel. I'll let y'all know if I be doing that for sure. But that's what I've been using so far, and it's been working. My dreads look shiny, like they don't look dry. And they've been growing, bro. You feel me? Now if you haven't seen my dreads, you can go back on my channel, like I said earlier, in playlist. I got a Smoove, it says Smoove Lock Journey. Click it, you can watch my whole journey, bro. See where I started to where we at now. So yeah, another thing that I've been using for my dreads, for my hair in general, is biotin, bro. So if y'all haven't been using biotin, if y'all ain't got no biotin, make sure y'all get y'all biotin, bro. It's key for hair growth, for skin. My skin is shining, bro. It is nighttime. It's nighttime. Where's my phone at? Where's my phone at? It's nighttime, bro. It's 11:58. I don't know if I can see. It's 11:58, bro. It's nighttime, bro. My skin is shining. So yeah, I've been using this biotin. and it's been helping my hair look shinier, my beard look shinier. So yeah, I've been rocking with it. But these are basically the products I've been using for my dreads. Let me know in the comment section if any of y'all recommend any products or recommend anything. And also another key tip, bro, if y'all don't know it or y'all do know already, wear a do-rag, bro. You know what I'm saying? Bun is cool, but once you get your hair done, once you first get it done, bro, get you a do-rag. Put it on there. It's gonna keep your shit looking fresh, bro. Now I got my retwist like 4 days ago, and it still look fresh as freak. If I'm wearing a do-rag every time I lay my head on the pillow, if I go to the gym and sweat, wear a do-rag. So man, yeah, this video not gonna be that long, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this review. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if let me know what type of videos y'all wanna see. Like when I take these 2 strands out, I'm gonna make a video of twist out. When I get some braids, I'm gonna let y'all know. So just let me know, man. Y'all stay tuned to the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all liked it. But enough talking, I'm out, man. Peace.